I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. I got an amazing new place that was all mine. It gave me the space to really reflect on the mistakes of my past. I had to find a new identity. A new me. It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love. Here's the thing about new love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it. Soon enough, I was back on my feet, ready to move on, to make new friends. With me! It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.
God damn it! Sit the fuck down.
What?
I said, sit your skinny ass down, you dumb slut.
Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo-hoo.
What?
It's not a party without a little drama, am I right? Come on! Turn it up! Shots on the house.
Call me dumb. I have a PhD, motherfucker.
Miss Quinn,
Romy.
that was my driver.
Oh, whoops.
Well, I'm sure it was his fault. Consider him fired.
Consider me grateful, especially since I know you don't like me. I agitate his already delicate sense of mental equilibrium, that and his obsessive-compulsive need to be the center of attention.
Will your paramour be joining us this evening?
Not tonight, Romy. Not tonight.
Well, enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but you don't understand.
Find me a new driver.
Being Joker's girl gave me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted, and no one ever dared to object.